This is an emergency LED panel. Integrated emergency driver design, so it's easy wiring. Now let's show how it wiring. LED panel. Integrated emergency LED driver. Plate for cutting hole on ceiling. Instruction how to wiring and mounting. Open the J box. This black and white wire connect to live line go through. Switch or dimmer if you use dimmer. Here we use switch. This black wire always connect to live line. Live line. This is white wire connect to null line. Null line, and now let's connect the quick connector. Connect the power. LED indicator slow flicker when it's charging. An LED indicator always on when full charged. LED indicator quick flicker means emergency issue, so find your vendor for maintain. CCT switch. Now let's cut off the power. Emergency state and it will lighting more than 90 minutes.